Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best UTV Street Legal Kit is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for UTV owners who want to enjoy the thrill of off-road adventures and the convenience of on-road travel. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right kit, ensuring your UTV meets all the necessary legal requirements for safe and compliant on-road operation, covering everything from lighting and signaling to speed limiters and other essential components. Number 5. KEMIMOTO UTV ATV Signal Kit. This kit gives your UTV or ATV the essential safety features required for street legal operation. It includes everything you need for peace of mind. It has everything you need: a loud horn and 4 bright turn signals. No need to buy separate parts, it's all here. With its extra long wiring harness, it's easy to install on various UTV and ATV models, both 2-seater and 4-seater. The amber LED lights are highly visible, even in bad weather, ensuring others see your signals clearly. The powerful horn is designed to alert others of your presence, improving safety on the road. The color-coded wires make installation simple and straightforward, minimizing the risk of errors. What we like. This kit has everything you need for street legal compliance, including a horn and turn signals. Its extra-long wiring harness makes installation a breeze, even on larger vehicles. If you value convenience and safety, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. System works great, lights are bright and horn is very loud. Feel much safer using the turn signal on our side-by-side. It does work. Number 4. Hypertune ATV UTV Signal Kit. Introducing the Hypertune Universal ATV UTV Turn Signal Kit, designed for easy installation and wide compatibility with most ATV, UTV, and side-by-side vehicles. It's the perfect upgrade for safety and visibility. This kit is universally compatible. It works with Polaris Ranger, Polaris RZR, Yamaha Rhino, Yamaha Viking, Can-Am Commander, Arctic Cat Wildcat and many more. No matter your vehicle, it's likely to fit. Installation is a breeze. The pre-wired harness plugs directly into the rocker switch, requiring only a 12V plus and 12V connection to your vehicle. The extra-long wiring harness ensures a perfect fit for almost any vehicle. The laser-etched LED switches illuminate green only when activated, making them easy to see, even at night. This simple design enhances usability and safety. With bright amber and red LEDs, it offers superior visibility, even in challenging weather conditions. These lights will keep you safe in rain or fog, alerting other drivers to your presence. The kit includes everything you need: a wiring harness with signal switch and flasher, LED signal lights, terminal blocks, heat shrink terminals, and cable ties. Everything is included for a seamless installation. If your vehicle's power exceeds 12V, please use a voltage converter to protect the kit. This ensures the longevity and safety of your new turn signals. What we like. This kit boasts a simple plug-and-play design, making installation quick and easy. The green LED indicators are a great feature for nighttime visibility. If you're looking for a straightforward and user-friendly setup, this kit is for you. What people say. I installed it on my GL1000. It was so easy and everything works as it should, no problem. These have been a lifesaver for our company. We use these on our UTVs that operate on public roads in the downtown area of my town. Before we had these, we had a couple minor vehicle collision due to people not understanding hand signals, LOL. But there's been absolutely no problem since we got these. Easy to install, works great. Number 3. WD Polaris RZR Street Legal Kit. Transform your off-road vehicle into a street legal machine. This comprehensive kit makes it easy to add essential safety features. It's compatible with various UTV models, including Polaris RZR, Ranger, Yamaha Rhino, Viking, Kawasaki Teryx, Can-Am Commander, and Arctic Cat Wildcat. Always check your local laws before use. Installation is a breeze with the included wiring harnesses. Even with minimal electrical experience, you can get it done quickly. Experience significantly improved visibility with the integrated LEDs. It's 5 times brighter than other kits on the market. This kit is proudly made in the USA and rigorously inspected to ensure top-notch quality and performance. Get it at the best price. The kit includes 434 LED blinker markers, wiring harnesses, a horn with button, a license plate frame with LED light, and line taps for easy installation. What we like. This kit offers exceptionally bright LEDs for superior visibility, ensuring you're seen in all conditions. It's made in the USA, guaranteeing quality and reliability. If you prioritize quality and visibility, this is the kit for you. What people say. Wiring diagram was spot on and I don't do electrical. Worked great. Everything works great. Easy to do if you have basic electrical knowledge and problem solving. Great produce, easy install. The kit is fantastic and was easy to install. Number 2. Universal ATV UTV Turn Signal Kit. This kit offers everything you need for a complete turn signal upgrade. It's designed for easy installation and includes all necessary components. It fits a wide range of ATV UTV models, including popular brands like Polaris RZR, Honda Pioneer, and Can-Am. It's also great for custom projects. The kit comes with a wiring harness, LED turn signals, flasher relay, USB charger, e-stop button, horn, switches, and all the installation hardware you'll need. It's a true plug-and-play system. The wiring is straightforward, making installation quick and easy for anyone. We package it carefully to ensure it arrives undamaged. If there's any damage, we'll send a free replacement. It's a direct replacement part, designed to look, install, and function just like the original equipment. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, plus a convenient USB charging port. The simple plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze. If you want a complete, convenient, and easy-to-install kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Complete set, works as advertised. To install right, prepare to drop skid plates and heat shields, drill different size holes and cut rectangular openings. Take your time and route and support wires. I installed this product on a Kawasaki Teryx 4. As an aircraft mechanic, I liked the fact that the kit came out of the box all connected with one of the first steps in the instructions was connect the horn and power and test before install. This unit has reinforced nylon braiding around the harnesses making it much more apt to stand up to the rugged and wet environment. Harness and kit worked perfect and is easy to install. Number 1. Universal ATV UTV Kit. Transform your ATV or UTV into a street legal vehicle. This kit provides everything you need for safe and compliant on-road driving. It includes LED turn signals, a reverse light, and a horn, ensuring you're visible and audible to other drivers. With simple instructions, it's easy to install. Just drill a 3/4-inch hole and mount the LEDs. Basic 12V electrical knowledge is helpful, but professional installation is recommended. This kit is compatible with Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, and golf carts. It's perfect for ATVs, UTVs, dune buggies, and 4x4 projects. Remember to check your local laws before driving on the road. This kit meets many street legal requirements, but regulations vary by location. The bright LEDs and loud horns significantly improve your visibility and safety on the road, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This kit is designed for simple installation, even for those with limited electrical experience. It includes a reverse light, meeting additional street legal requirements. If you need a simple, comprehensive kit that meets most street legal requirements, this is a great option. What people say. Lights are bright. Very clean installation, looks and works great. Just what I was looking for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.